Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how I made over $2,000 today with a single Solana meme coin. And here's the proof. It was on this coin called Mishi with Head. It did over a 760% gain, and we can see it literally took just 2 hours and 26 minutes, and that made me over 760%. I aped around 2 Solana and I ended up selling everything for about 12 Solana, making me around, I don't really know, it was like 2k, something like that. And yeah, basically it was extremely easy, and I've been doing this a lot recently. I mean, currently I am making quite a decent buck simply trading Solana meme coins, and I also want to show you guys exactly to you basically how I'm doing this. So yeah, throughout the video I'm going to show you guys a shitload of bots you can be using in order to basically become profitable, basically trading Solana meme coins, and how you can identify works and only basically a projects that are actually good. So yeah, basically let's just immediately get started. The first thing you need, and I've basically been talking about this bot basically in all my videos, but it's just really important that you are using Trojan bot on Solana in order to basically trade. If you don't, you will simply not be capable of getting entries perfectly right. You'll not be able to set limit orders because Radium and Jupiter are just extremely slow in my opinion. I mean, this bot called Trojan on Solana literally allows you to buy any Solana meme coin in a matter of seconds. It's extremely fast, has a shitload of users. You need to use Trojan if you want to basically become profitable with Solana meme coins, and if you want to simply catch your first or maybe your next 100x gem. So I will have Trojan bot, first link in the description below, and all the other bots I'm showing in this video are also linked below if you want to check them out. Make sure to only use those links that I'm having in the description below, because there are a lot of fake ones out there that can potentially steal your money. Now let's get started. How did I actually find this coin? That coin that went 760%. I can actually show you guys the coin as well. I mean, it was quite an obvious coin in my opinion. Let me quickly check what the ticker actually was. It was Mishi with. So this was the ticker, I think. It was something like this. Yeah, so this one was it. I mean, right now it is down like tremendously. It was quite, I mean, I don't want to say like a pump and dump, but I mean the developer ended up selling at the top. However, I literally got in right around this level, right around here. I can actually show you guys where I got in. I can literally just copy my wallet address like this, and then if I am not mistaken, I can just simply click maker right here, enter, click on apply, and it should show basically where I bought. So this is literally my wallet. You can see on Telegram right here, this is my wallet. I just copied it, and this just proves that I did actually make this money. We can see I bought for 2 Solana, ended up selling for 9 Solana actually. However, at the top it was worth about like 2.5k. So yeah, I literally bought just before the pump, and then within like 2 hours it went absolutely insane before going down. So how did I actually find this project? Well, like I said, it was really easy. All I did was go to dexscreener.com, click on new pairs, and basically once I've done that, I will always filter on trending in the last 5 minutes, and then last 5 minutes here as well, and then click on Solana and then sort by age. These are all the basically coins that have been created in the last couple of days, last couple of minutes, basically all the newest and freshest coins. Now you can also click on newest right here, and this will show you even more new coins that have been created. However, this will also include a lot of work, so I would not recommend doing that. I would simply recommend filtering on these settings right here and then just clicking on age. So right now these are basically all of the coins that have been created in the last couple of hours basically, that are all quite doing good. I mean, they are at least not rugging the project. And then literally all I simply did was find what basically narrative was currently doing good and just simply look for good coins. Now, first of all, you need to know which narrative is currently playing in Solana meme coins. It's really easy to find it. You can click on Solana, last 24 hours, check out the coins with the most volume, and we can see the first, the second, the third, the fourth, all the basically 4 of the top meme coins right now that are getting the most volume are cat coins, meaning that cat coins are right now trending and they are right now the meta. So that's where you basically want to look for, because cat coins are most likely going to be the best right now. A few weeks, basically actually a few days ago, we of course had the GME hype where literally every single GME coin went crazy. So these hypes can definitely change really quickly. But yeah, it seems like we are in some sort of a cat hype. That are definitely the coins I'm going to be looking at in this video. Basically, if I would want to find my next like 10x and just turn 2 Solana in like 10 Solana. Now, what am I now going to do once I'm on this page? Because we are getting a lot of coins, but of course not every single one of these coins right here in this list are actually good coins you should buy. So what you simply do is click on every single one of them. And the first thing that is really important is that the chart starts with a lot of volume. I would always only recommend looking at coins that are getting a lot of volume. If they're not getting a lot of volume, there is just something wrong with the coin most likely. It either means that it's a work, there's no burn, the token, basically the liquidity is not burned. It just means that when there's a lot of volume, it means that a lot of people have checked the project and just double check that everything is safe, and they will most likely ape. Of course, it can still be a work, but the more volume a coin has on launch, basically, the bullisher it is, for me at least. That's what I am basically experiencing myself. So selfie cat right here. I mean, off the bat, this is literally the first coin we're looking at, but it's not looking bad. We can see already $400,000 in volume, really low market cap. We can also see right now that the liquidity is burned 100%, which is perfect. And we can see that the chart is just starting off extremely strong. I really like if a chart just simply starts with an uptrend and not some kind of an automatic downtrend. I mean, you always want to look for Solana meme coins that are starting something like this, just in a small uptrend with loads of volume. I can show you some coins as well that are basically not doing that good. Let me quickly find one. Let me quickly check if this is going to load. We can see, I mean, this coin, we can clearly see the difference. This literally went up just a little bit, didn't got any volume and just rocked straight after. So that's definitely a coin we don't want to look at, simply because we want to look at coins with high volume that just off the bat go absolutely freaking insane. Now that we have found a coin that can potentially look good, I mean the volume is there, the chart is looking good, it's a good meme, it's a cat at least. What we now do is just quickly check the website, see if the website is actually legitimate, and if the Twitter is also looking good. If that is looking good, then that's completely fine. You just want to make sure that the website and the Twitter they have linked are actually the Twitter and the website to this coin, because sometimes you will get scammers that just create coins of already existing projects and just link fake websites. So always double check that. And basically once we've double checked that, what we can now do is join the Telegram, because we of course need to make sure that basically the team is there. So what we're simply going to do is join the Telegram. Just click right here. Then just simply click right here, click on join, and we have now joined the Telegram. We can see they have a voice chat going on, which is definitely really bullish. Not sure if the admins are talking in it. If they are, then that will be even more bullish. But I mean, a voice chat is always good to see on launch. It also seems like they are doing rates right now, which is extremely bullish. And yeah, basically the volume is just off the bat insane. So that's also really, really good to see. So this could be literally the first one we checked. It could potentially be a pretty decent gem. So yeah, the Telegram is good. Once we basically double check the Telegram, what we're going to do is copy the contract address, because we now need to make sure that this project is actually safe. To do that, click SelfieCat, copy contract, go to rugcheck.xyz, enter the token address just like this, and it's going to basically show you the risk analysis. We can see this one seems to be good. There are no crazy things happening with this coin. The only error is that there is a low amount of liquidity pool providers, which is completely normal. You can also see the top holders. Top holders holding 4%, which is fine. What we can do, however, is quickly go into SolScan and then click on holders and see how this person acquired that 4%, because it could potentially be an airdrop. And if it's an airdrop, you want to ask in the chat why that airdrop has been sent out. If they don't give you an answer, or if they block them, it just means that they are scamming you. So yeah, you can just quickly click right here and then click on SPL transfers and see how this guy actually got that 4% basically. It seems like, however, that 4% he got legitimately because he is right now holding a lot of tokens with a lot of Solana. So it doesn't seem like this is just a newly created wallet to snipe this project. So that's good to see. This one is looking pretty bullish already. Now, basically, once we've done that, just make sure you have the contract copied again, because what we're now going to do is click search, and basically on Telegram you have this bot called Dev Selling Bot. All you do is go to this bot that's linked in the description below and type /start, just like this. To ask you for a contract address, and all you do is enter it, and it's basically going to process you basically an audit for the project. It will give you a lot of information, such as how much the developers are holding, the liquidity status, top holders, and everything. So right now we can see that the developer is found 2 wallets holding 2.4%, meaning that the developer is holding 2.4% of the project. In my opinion, that's decent. I mean, you don't want it to be over like 7 or 8%, but yeah, 2%, that's completely fine. The developer also needs to make some money off the project, of course. What you can also then see is the top holders. Right now it's 19%. The top 10 holders are holding 19% of the entire supply. For a newly launched project, that is perfectly fine. And then right here you will see total for 2 wallets, and this basically means if the developer has already sold some tokens. Right now it seems like he only actually bought a token and not sold, which is really bullish, and I really like how this project is already looking. Of course it can still go down, I mean nobody knows what is going to happen, but this will definitely be a project that I could be interested in buying, simply because everything is definitely playing out here. Seems like we are getting a slight dip right now, that may or may not be fine. We could potentially do something like this, or it could already die out. I mean, of course you are basically just gambling right now on these newly launched coins, and that's what I am doing as well. I am literally buying like 5 or 10 coins every single day, and most of them go to zero. I put in 1 or 2 Solana and they go to zero. However, if 2 or 3 of the projects you simply do like a 10x, you've already made your money back plus much more. And that's basically the strategy I've been using. All you need to do is just hold a 10x and then you're already good to go. And all of the projects you bought previously, those losses have already been recouped, plus you basically made more. So that is right now my strategy. And then once I've double checked basically all of that, literally all I simply do is copy the contract, paste it into my Trojan, and I just simply buy the project. It goes extremely quickly, and that's literally all I have done in order to make that money on this project called Mishi with Head. So yeah, basically I hope I gave you some interesting tools in this video you can use for your own trading, and maybe some insights or something, I don't know. I just quickly wanted to show basically how I did it with this coin and how I made that crazy amount of money. I mean, like 2k, that's definitely quite decent for just 2 hours of doing nothing basically. So yeah, basically if you have any questions, you can definitely let them know in the comments below. If you want to use Trojan, make sure you go check it out, first link in the description below. Please consider liking this video and also subscribing to my channel, I would really appreciate it. And I hope I will see you guys in my next crypto, meme coin, review, tutorial, whatever.